going to play slime. So we brought it from MR.DIY and we made this slime. Very cool. So you can name your slime if you want to. My one called Galaxy Slime. My one's unicorn. Look nice, right?
What about yours?
Wow.
So how do you make the slime?
So you need glue and you need activator and glitter to make it glittery. Yeah. So first you put the glue in the container and then you put the activator, the glitter, then activator, then mix it, then you can play it.
Right.
If it's not sticky.
So what shape are you making?
Huh?
What shape are you guys making?
Just plain.
Right. See you guys. Bye.
Bye. Bye.